Ma'am, now my next question to you is, what are the top job profiles offered to MBA marketing?
Yeah. See,
Number
generally,
one, which is the most common profile you might have seen at your college? That these are the most commonly company are coming for these kind of for this role.
okay, if you ask our VS Management Institute, B school that we have, over there I have seen people come for marketing analytics also. They come to take students for market research also. They come to take student for executive position, that is business development, a position of business development, a position of relationship management. Okay, so with these generally people, that is the very beginners post, but these days we are seeing they being asked to join as content developer. They being asked as understanding in terms of copywriters. Do you understand the copywriting? Or somebody who will be able to help in the social media marketing, email marketing. So these are also the areas where the opportunity have started coming up.
Okay,
So
but
if
I
the
would say
somebody who has
still.
good writing skill can become a good content developer, content writer also. That is
Mhm.
one good opportunity that is coming these days for the beginners.
Right, right, right. But I would say still say the number one is going to be relationship manager, because relationship manager's role, which is required everywhere. Let it be bank,
Yeah.
let it be any industry you go
Yes.
for, relationship manager is always required because
Yes.
customer is king. Huh?
Yeah, the customer is the king. That everybody has to understand. That he is why he is the king, because without saying one word, he can reject you and go to your competitor, and that is the biggest punishment that the customer can give you.
True.
So you have to understand the relationship manager, because relationship manager is not talking to them. Relationship manager is establishing a bond and tie with them so that they can go on accelerating the sales and doing lot of cross selling to the customer. Today you will find, if you try to resolve some query of yours through a credit card, okay, so you call up them, they listen to all your thing, they satisfy everything of yours, and your problem is resolved. As soon as the problem is resolved, their first question is, ma'am, are you in need of some loan, something? Would you be interested in taking some loan against your car, some loan against something, some insurance policy, some health policy? Would you be interested? We have, if you take this as a preferred customer, we will be giving you these benefits. And then they start pushing things in your basket to see what more can be given to you. So first they resolve your issue. Moment somebody resolves your issue, the person gains your heart, that yes, mera problem solve hua. So that person, moment they are able to solve your problem, they start entering into your zone to go on pushing something to you.
Superb, superb. All right. So number one, we agreed on is relationship manager. Number two, I would say is area sales manager. So
Yeah.
all these companies, Pepsi and all these things. Now that's more of a FMCG role, but yeah. So see, some like for a bank, you can work anywhere. They can put you into all the branches, but some areas are very specific that they can't travel. So they're like focused in one area. So then that way, area sales manager come into picture. जिनको लगता है ना कि वो टिपिकल हार्डकोर यार, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू जॉइन पेप्सी, तुम्हें बेचना नहीं है, तुम्हें बिकवाना है, उसके लिए वो ठेले वाला है पेप्सी के लिए. आई डोंट नीड एमबीए टू सेल पेप्सी ऑन द रोड.
Well, yeah, right, right.
Yeah. Now, what is the role of an area sales manager? Because most of the people from IIM, from all the top B schools, you have to become a, तुम्हें साबुन बेचना है kind of thing. The what you normally say कि साबुन बेचना है,
Yes,
पेप्सी
yes,
बेचनी है. So
yes.
what is the role of an area sales manager?
See, an area sales manager basically is deputed to a large big areas where under him there are many sales executives. So it is the sales executive who goes to this all this pawn shop and everywhere. Whoever is keeping a Pepsi, I'm taking example of your Pepsi, or I'm taking example of those chocolates, dairy milks and all. So these are something which you find even in small pawn shop also. So it is the sales executive who goes. Area sales manager's job is to understand where what is working and what is not working, where there is difficulty. If there is any difficulty, it is the area sales manager who goes to resolve that particular issue. And this area sales manager also visits along with the sales executive, they visits the different, especially they try to see the more potential customers. They don't go to, now if a small pan vendor is also potential customer, see, as I say, customer is the king. So even if he is giving me 10 lakhs business per month, Whether he sits on the street side doesn't make to me, because through him I am able to fulfill my target, and with that I will be making some revenue. How does that matter where he sits? So area sales manager job is to take care of the sale of a particular area, to ensure the target given to each sales executive is well met, and wherever there is a hiccup, he tries to intervene to see what is going wrong, then what more needs to be done. So he is charge of one jurisdiction, one particular area, so that he ensures that the target being given is fulfilled.
Superb. Now I'm confused at number 3. Whom to put at number 3? Digital marketing roles combined together can be number 3, or any other roles you have at number 3 position? Market research,
Digital marketing.
digital.
Today, digital marketing, yes. Because whether it is advertisement or it is promotion or information, for everything, companies have started depending more on digital medias, because they understand that technology, the world is going, this industry 4.0 is a more techno driven world. So with that, they should be able to focus more towards that channel on which the customer's dependency is more. Today, you see, for everything we want to buy something, our first thing is we go and Google it, search it. Where do I get? What are the features? What it is like? Who is the distributor? Where is the service center? Everything I try to search from the internet only. So the digital media has to be very, very strong. There, they also want to see that what is the footfall in my site? How much traffic? What do I do to pull more traffic in my website? So all this way, digital media is another very strong area which is coming up with lot of potential and opportunity. And in our institute, VSB school, we are very focused that we suggest students that they should be able to do these particular courses. Excuse me one second.
Yeah. So some of students are asking about operations. Guys, operations we'll talk about in a separate video file. So basically, wo chhod do. Digital marketing.
Yeah, B2B, B2C and B2B. Yeah, you can have both. You can go for B2B marketing also. You can go for B2C also. It depends. See, company to company, it varies. That whether they will be producing something for B2B, so you have equal opportunity in both. If you are more close to go to customer, you can join organization with B2C, but the strategy does not change. Whether it is B2B or it is B2C, there is no change in the strategy. Only thing is approach is little different. That's it.
True. I would like to end, ma'am. We had a long chat with two things. Look at the size of the newspaper today during the lockdown. The size of newspaper become almost half, if not 1/3. So all the marketing companies, all the advertisements are kind of moving out to digital mode.
They are all in digital mode. That's what I was saying. No? I have guided 3 of my students to do their internship in this digital world, in terms of SEO optimization, in terms of copyright management, in terms of how do you increase the footfall and the site of the your website, how do you increase that to bring in more traffic, and in terms of the content development, because advertisement is also flowing to that side only, because everybody is feeling that it is rather for the organization, with one small click they can reach many. So today, and people are the world is becoming ubiquitous. They want anything, anywhere, anytime. So with that, the organization also wants to have 360-degree present 24/7. So they want to depend more on technology. So it is a very strong area.
So let me just summarize. Number 1 was relationship manager. Number 2, area sales manager. Number 3 is a digital marketer. So these are the top 3 roles which are offered to MBA.
Yes.
So how to do that? Best way is to first do your MBA, join the college, then decide where you want to end up in.
Yeah. Correct. See, first you join the college, and first year everybody is given, that is the first semester or the trimester, whatever you join. If you are with PG, you might be with trimester. If you are with MMS, you might be semester. But whatever it is, you are first given exposure of all the subjects, so that you have a filler. If you ask me, marketing is the most vibrant and most energetic area, where you do not have to go on reading big theories to take a lot of pressure. You have to be very proactive in terms of your thought, and you have to be very lively, go-getter, aggressive. That nothing is, when I believe, I say that there is no concept called no. Everything is yes. No for one is not no for everybody. So if one says no, I have the second person or I have the third person. You have to be a go-getter, move on, and the world is yours.
Superb. Great. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for that.